So in the last video we talked about the basics of state observers. So in this video I will be talking about the separation principle. So this principle will be helpful when you are designing a state feedback system for pole placement and when you have states that cannot be observed. So in that case you need a state observer. So this is a general form of state feedback system, and here this part is your actual plant. This has matrices G, H and C, and here we assume that the states x of k is not directly observable. So in that case you cannot give the state feedback u of k equal to minus k into x of k. So what we do is we use a state observer to estimate what is the current state of the system, that is what is x of k, and we call that observed state x tilde of k, and use that for the pole placement. So consider the actual plant, and the plant equations are x of k plus 1 is equal to g into x of k plus h u of k. Now the output equation for the plant is y of k equal to c into x of k. When we use a state observer and give the state feedback for pole placement, we give the feedback such that u of k input to the system is actually minus k times x tilde of k. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and equation number 3. And if you substitute equation number 3 in equation number 1, you will find that x of k plus 1 is equal to g x of k plus h into minus k x tilde of k. So that you can simply write it as minus hk x tilde of k. And to this equation, if I just add and subtract h of k x of k, as in plus hk x of k minus hk x of k, so that it doesn't make any difference. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to group these two terms and group the other two terms. So it becomes g minus hk into x of k, since x of k is common for the remaining two terms, and then this is actually plus hk, and inside you have x of k minus x tilde of k, which is nothing but your error e of k. And the aerodynamics equation is given by e of k plus 1 is equal to g minus kec into e of k. So this was actually derived in the last video. I'm just naming this equation number 4, this one as equation number 5, and just combining equation number 4 and equation number 5 to form an augmented matrix as below: x of k plus 1, e of k plus 1 is equal to g minus hk 0 g minus kec into x of k into e of k. So the characteristic equation for the above system is determinant of zi minus g plus hk minus hk 0 zi minus g plus kec equal to 0, and this is actually, when you simplify this, you will see that it actually is equal to zi minus g plus hk into determinant of zi minus g plus kec equal to 0. So we see that these two, the first one is actually the characteristic equation that determines the pole placement design, and the second one is a characteristic equation that determines the aerodynamics of your observer. So the equation number 7 actually tells you that the design of pole placement and the design of the observer can happen separately. So this is called the separation principle. So the separation principle tells you that you can design pole placement part wherein you are designing the K matrix, and you can design the observer part wherein you are designing the KE matrix separately, and then just combine both the two systems together to form a single system where you have pole placement by state feedback, and when you have the states that are not observable, you can use a separate state observer. So these two designs are completely separated, and this is what the separation principle tells you.